Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to efficiently access and use Hostgator Cpanel, you're in the right place. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing a business website, Hostgator Cpanel gives you a powerful, user-friendly interface to control your hosting. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostgator website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Look to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for this guide, we'll assume you already have an account. Enter your login details to access your Hostgator dashboard. Once logged in, you'll land on the Hostgator home screen, your central hub for all things hosting. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel. Click on Websites to view a list of all the websites you're currently hosting. Select the website you want to manage, and a new page with detailed options will open. Next, find the settings link in your dashboard and click it. Here, you'll see a range of configuration options for your website. Look for the Advanced section. This is where deeper customization and management tools live. From here, click on Cpanel, which takes you directly to your Cpanel dashboard. Now you're in. In your Cpanel dashboard, you have access to a wide array of tools. Set up email accounts, manage domains, check website analytics, explore databases, and more. Take some time to explore the categories and familiarize yourself with the tools. Getting comfortable here can make managing your website much easier. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Hostgator Cpanel, giving you full control over your website's backend. Explore, experiment, and use these tools to enhance your web management experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials that make hosting simple.